Hello doctors, myself Viren Kallanka from Dermacell Pvt Limited. Today we are going to showcase our new latest model CO2 laser, which is into metal tube having 60 watts of power. So which is the right now the latest and highest power you can say with the CO2 machine. And because of metal tube it will be more uniform, and the life of the machine is very good because like we are using metal tube in this machine. Okay, and mainly this is FDA approved machine, so it will help you to get better results and for safety perspective also. So now I just put it on the machine. I will just show you machine in detail. So the starting with the machine, the design is very sleek and very unique design. With this, even the display, you can change the angle according to a viewer angle, so you can just change whichever angle is suitable for you while doing operations. Okay, so in this machine you will get multiple modes, which is fractional mode, normal mode and gynae mode. So I will just show you fractional mode first. So when we enter into fractional mode, this is the screen which makes this machine very unique, because when you enter in this mode, fractional mode, normally with other CO2 lasers directly parameters are there on the top of the screen, but in this model you will see in fractional mode there are subdivision, like light mode is there, deep is there and fusion is there. So basically what is light mode? You can see normal there are some of the clients, they don't want deep, like they don't want more downtime, or they don't want like there should be any pH should be there. So there is basically this light mode will help you to give them very superficial facial rejuvenation, so the downtime will be less, so client will be the recovery time will be very less. So this is called as light. So the another mode which is called as deep mode, if sometime if the client is okay with the long time and if they are having deeper acne scars, so you can use deeper mode, so which will help you to treat more deeper and with the safety. Okay, now the another third mode is basically fusion mode, where there are many critical cases, like for stretch marks or for accidental scars, you can use fusion mode. Fusion is basically the mixture of light and deep mode, where the light and deep mode will be combined together and used in fusion mode. Okay, so I will just first showcase you our light mode. Okay, so once you click on light mode, this is the parameters you will be having. So in this light mode, you can see you can get the energy setting. Okay, so from here you can set the energy, then here you can set the the time, milliseconds, then the square, the triangle. So if you want to do the treatment of different parts of body, for the nose you can select triangle, then for square, then hexagon, circle. So according to your requirement you can select the shape of scanning pattern. Secondly, there is one more important feature is this order content random. So basically random mode is when if you want to keep client very comfortable, so you can use random mode. So now I will just show you practically how it scans on the skin, the shape where you are going to scan. Okay, so now for easy understanding I will select box and I will increase the shape of the box size. Okay, so now the times I kept 1 and energy is 40. So I'll just show you. I will put it on ready. Yeah, so you can see this is basically our light mode. Okay, so in light mode the scanning is much more different as you compare with another type of CO2 which is available in the market right now. So now I just want to show you the difference of the times. So if I select times, 1 second, I want to put it on standby, then second, now it will scan 2 times on the same area. 1 and 2. So you will see there is much more difference. So the depth of this 1 and 2, see, so this is become more light, this is darker, still it is remaining. So now this has been vanished. This was with the 1 times and this is with the 2nd time, so it is still present. So this this helps us to understand that if you increase the time, the depth of penetration increases. Okay, so now I'll just show you the another mode which is called as deep mode. So in deep mode we'll again keep energy of 40, Then I will keep same box, same size, order also same, then we'll start. I just always click on preview, so it helps like to show, it will show the area properly. Yeah, so now you can see the difference. So this is more superficial and this will be going to go little bit deeper. So this is with the mode, when you select light mode, this is the deeper mode when you select deep functions. Okay, now I will just show you fusion mode. So fusion mode, again I will select energy up to 40. Another parameters I will keep same. So now this is fusion mode. So you see, first it is performing the deep mode, then fusion mode. So it's a combination of deep and light. So this is very, see, you can see. So this deeper mode is still present because it's a deeper mode, this one. So now I have explained you light mode, deep mode and future, which is the unique feature of this machine. Okay, so now I'll just show you the full resurfacing classic mode. So once you enter in this mode, classic mode, this is the standard CO2 mode, which will be available in all type of CO2 which are available right now in the market. Okay, so here is the energy setting, here is the power. So energy will directly will be depending upon the power what you select. So basically it's a power. So one is 16, 20, 32. As this is 60 watts machine, the power will go to up to 60 watts. So now up to 60, and this is showing red in red color, so it will be more very powerful. Okay, so for safety side, just to demonstrate, I will keep 30. Okay, so now this is the pulse width, you can just vary. So now the main features, that's again the same, the patterns, you can select the patterns. Normally to demonstrate I will select square. So times, so same, the if you want to go much more deeper, you can select the deeper, like it is 10 times, when the beam is going to scan same area 10 times for deeper scars. So normally in our normal daily routine procedures, we can go up to 3, 4 depending upon the depth of the scar. So I will just show you with the one also and with increasing the depth, so you can just see on the paper how it differs. So now this one is scanning pattern, order, center and random. Order means it will scan same by order from center to outside, then random, it will be randomly fire. So this normally we are going to use always on client will be random, because even it helps to reduce the pain, because the firing of the beam will be randomly. So even our brain is also very confused where it is going to fire at the when it is going to scan. So I will always suggest for the clients use always random mode, which where the energy will be same but it is going to fire randomly, so the client will be more comfortable while procedure. So now again this is the distance between two pixels. So basically this is to make this system very aggressively, so you can just reduce the distance means this is the distance between two pixels. So when you keep when you reduce the distance, the system becomes very aggressive, but the same time result will be higher, but PI chances increases, because there should be healing tissues in between the like necrosis. We are going to create necrosis, so in between that, so if you keep safety for safety side, increase the pitch distance, so you will be always on safer side. In general you can use 1.5, more than 1.5 always. So now I will just start. I have kept 30 watts of power, then square times is 1, then I will just increase this box little bit, that's it, 20 mm into 20 mm. Okay, I will select random pattern, preview and ready. So in preview you can see the box. Yeah, so because it this is the times 1, so it is very light. Okay, and the scanning also done very like only one time, and this you can see the distance between two pixels, it is 1.5, so there is like distance is very much more. So if I reduce the distance, the pitch distance to 0.7, Ready? Then now you can see the difference of the pitch. Yeah, so in both the energy is same, only I have reduced the pitch distance, but while reducing the pitch distance the damage to the skin is very high. So in between the distance of pixels is like I have selected 0.7, so the distance between two pixels is 0.7. So I will never recommend to use this less pitch distance. Will always recommend to use up to 1.2 and up to 1.5, more than 1.5. Okay, so now I just want to show you the what makes it difference with this time. So I will just increase the time to 4 and just fire the shot. So now it is 4 times scanning. Yes, so now this was with 1 times, this is with show here, this is with 4. So this was with 4. So when you change, you can see the depth. So which was done with one times, it is going to vanish with the second page. See here, this is still there because it was with the 4 times. So this time is directly for the depth of the penetration. Okay, yeah, you can show here. So it is completely vanished. So because of 4th, it is still present. Give you some overview. These are the scanning pattern. This is for the depth, how much depth you want to achieve with the CO2 laser in single session. These are just the order patterns, scanning patterns. Then this will be the shape of the size of the box where you want to select. So you can reduce or increase according to the targeted area. Then this is the pitch distance to make it more aggressive with the same power. You can just reduce the pitch distance, keeping the energy same. And while you increase the pitch distance, you are like more on the safety side. Okay, so that's it. This is more classic mode of the CO2 laser, which is like available in this machine. So now I will just show you normal mode in this function. So in normal mode, you will see there is only power setting with the machine. So normally for demonstration, I will keep 10. And in this normal mode, you will see there are pulse difference. One, this is continuous mode, this is single pulse, this is continuous pulse mode, this is basically ultra pulse mode. So this can be used for DPNs, then for skin tags, for freckles, you can use this kind of pulses. And this continuously mode, this will be used directly for cutting skin tag and all. Okay, and now I'll just demonstrate you how it works. Basically this is my normal mode, and then I will put ready. So now I will just show you continuous mode, pulse mode. So with this machine, we are going to provide you all these accessories. Basically this will be the lenses like operator eye safety, then this will be for patient to protect eyes, then this will be total like different probes for gynae treatment, then there will be surgical handpiece, this one, and with this surgical handpiece we are going to provide you this small changeable length to maintain the distance from the skin. You can change according to your use. Again with this machine you are going to get this mode, basically can be connected here for the fractional handpiece, which is makes again this machine unique, that this we are going to provide with this machine where you can use fractional mode continuously. So it becomes very easy, the rollers are there, so you can easily move on the skin, so it becomes very faster also and very uniform while using the procedures. So this is how I have shown you all the features with the machine, and I just want to show you this side also, see how the machine looks. So it's very sleek design, and handpiece has weight managing handle also, so automatically it goes on to same position. Then for display also you can put it like this, you can change the angle according to your using procedures. So this is basically the emergency switch. When you press it, machine will get shut down emergency, then you just need to rotate anti-clockwise, so it will start again. So this is how the complete features. So I just want to summarize main features of this machine again. Basically this machine is our 60 watts FDA approved with multiple latest functions into fractional, these three functions which are very latest now in the industry. So light, deep and fusion, then another this classic mode which is very common now with the CO2. So this is how complete summary of our CO2. Thank you so much for giving your time to watching this video. Thank you, thanks a lot.